Your phone mic sucks. Fix it with the Shure MV88 Plus video kit. Tripod, cables, and Superpowers included. Let's be real, your phone mic sounds like it's recording from inside a Pringles can. Whether you're vlogging, streaming, podcasting, or just trying to sound semi-professional, your audio setup is probably sabotaging your content. Muffled voices, background chaos, and zero control over the soundscape? Yep. That's what most creators battle with, trying to squeeze studio-quality audio out of a glorified speakerphone. You've got the vision, the energy, maybe even the ring light, but without crisp, controlled sound? You're dead in the algorithm. Welcome to Content Creator Purgatory. Now multiply that stress. You're pushing deadlines, re-recording clips for the 10th time, and rage-scrolling through editing apps that can't fix your bad audio. One side of your brain wants to give up. The other is frantically Googling how to sound like a pro without a studio. Your audience is swiping past your goal because your audio sounds like a potato underwater. The problem isn't your voice. It's your gear. You're not the issue, the lack of tech is. And burnout? It's creeping fast, wrapped in static and background hiss. Enter the Shure MV88 Plus Video Kit, your plug-and-play content salvation. This all-in-one stereo condenser mic is the Avengers-level upgrade your mobile setup deserves. Whether you're on iOS or USB-C Android, this beast locks in like a pro rig straight out of the box. It's got a Manfrotto tripod, a sleek phone mount, and cables for every scenario. Field recording? Check. Vlogging? Check. Interviewing your cat mid-zoomies? Oh, absolutely. With stereo width options, polar patterns, real-time headphone monitoring, and app-based controls, this makes smarter than half the experts on YouTube. Time to stop making do and start creating on command. The MV88 Plus gives you real-time feedback, adjustable recording angles, and stereo clarity that makes every take YouTube ready. It fits in your backpack but roars like a studio mic charging while recording? Yep. Plug-and-play ease? Totally. The free Motiv audio, video apps? Just the icing. You'll be recording award-worthy content in under 5 minutes, no PhD in audio engineering required. Whether you're live streaming or sampling street sounds, the MV88 Plus doesn't just keep up, it flexes. So what are you waiting for? A clap from the algorithm gods. This is your mic drop moment. The Shure MV88 Plus video kit isn't just a mic, it's a full-blown mobile studio that fits in your pocket. Say goodbye to trash audio, and hello to crispy, clean, professional-grade sound that turns heads and clicks. Buy now, because that content ain't gonna create itself, and bad sound is so 2020. Ready to finally sound as good as you look? Let's go.